In this video, I will show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A14 or A15 has problem charging, either if it completely doesn't charge or when you insert your charger cable here, maybe it doesn't fully goes in or it falls out very easily, or maybe if it goes in but you touch the phone a bit, it keeps disconnecting and not charging. So there are two problems that can be wrong with this. Either first one, you got a faulty cable, so you can just try another one. If you got type C on both ends on your cable, you can plug in both ends to see if one is different from another. If they both are loose or it's is disconnecting with both, then there's most probably something wrong with this charger port basically. And the most common thing is something simply has got stuck inside, maybe some lint from your pockets or any dust or debris or stuff like that. And this is actually very common, and we simply need to clean this hole. We can take maybe a simple flashlight like this and shine inside the hole and visually inspect if there's anything obvious inside the hole or it looks dirty. So then the way we can clean it, there are several methods. The safest method is probably taking a paintbrush like this basically and taking a few small strands from it like this. So only a few small strands basically, and we can insert it inside the hole and basically brush it out. So well, obviously hold the phone like this and we can shake it as well. So again, and we can blow it inside or with a mouse maybe, but we can also use a high force blower, and this is extremely useful if you maybe have one or can borrow from someone else. So this is used usually to clean camera equipment. So you can insert this as a hole and simply blow inside, so any junk basically flies out. Then if you still have problem charging and this is not enough, then the next best thing, most effective one, is actually cleaning the port using a sewing needle like this. So we need to take extremely small one, the smallest one you can find. If it's a very thick one, don't try to attempt. So this is what inside the charger hole basically looks like. So these are some sides, and there's basically a lot of free space here basically. And in the middle we got the connection strip with these connector pins, and we need to be extremely careful because we can easily damage these. So the way we will clean it, we will take our needle while holding the phone like that, like this. Also make sure your phone is turned off for this process. Again, so you don't short it because it's metal. So make sure it's off. Then take your needle and simply scrape and scoop along this edge basically. So one side, again, don't try to scoop near this connection strip because you can most definitely damage this, and it's a real possibility. So make sure you scoop this side first. Okay, and then take out the needle and do it on the other side. Again, while keeping very close to the basically this edge. So again, don't go close to this. Also, don't try to attempt to do this. So go over. Again, don't try to put in needle here because very little space here, and usually won't go here, and you can damage something. For example, this pin. So don't try to do that. Only go one side first and other side after that. So make sure your phone is turned off and insert your pin. Obviously hold the phone like that. Also maybe you can ask another person to hold the light for you so you can see what you are doing actually, or go outside to do this obviously. So insert the pin. As you see, I'm holding it near that edge and scrape it out, and insert in the bottom and scrape out any junk. Again, make sure you hold the phone like this. Again, one side, take it out, and the bottom side. And that's basically it. So if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!